Hello, I am Shilpa Pradeep Nair, and in this video we are going to learn about simple linear regression, and in next video we will learn about our implementation. Now let's start from the basic, that is, why do we need regression or why do we need linear regression? So let's assume here we are taking an example that we have to predict weight depending on the height. So here itself we can declare that height is an independent variable and the weight would be the dependent variable. So here we have prepared a scatter plot based on the data set of attributes height and weight. Now we can see there's a linear trend in the scatter plot. So the graph shows that with the increase of height, weight also increases. So basically, regression models describe the relationship between variables by fitting a line to observe data. So here, regression models a relation between dependent and independent variable. So when the linear regression models use a straight line, but while logistic and nonlinear regression use a curved line. So basically regression allows you to estimate how a dependent variable changes as the independent variable change. So the independent variable is known as predicting variable and the dependent is known as the response variable. Now, relationship can be explained or expressed as y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x plus epsilon. Now let's get into the terms of this equation. So basically beta 0 is the intercept, that is the predicted value of y when the value of x will be 0. Now beta 1 is the regression coefficient, that is how much we expect y to change when the value of x increases. Now here comes epsilon. Epsilon is basically error of the estimate, or how much variation there is in our estimate of the regression coefficient. Now coming back to the scatter plot, we can see that height is an independent variable and weight is dependent variable. Now the next question is, what is simple linear regression? So simple linear regression is used to estimate the relationship between two quantitative variables. One would be independent and other would be dependent. When there are more variables, more than two variables, the multiple linear regression is used. Now, linear regression creates a predictive model on any data showing trends in data, and the models are found using the least square method. Now, when is simple linear regression used? So, simple linear regression is used to estimate the relationship between two quantitative variables. You can use simple linear regression when you want to know first how strong is the relationship between two variables. Like in the last example of height and weight, we saw that the height is independent and weight is dependent. That is, as the height increases, the weight also significantly increases. Similarly, we will see the another example, that would be relationship between rainfall and soil erosion. As the level of rainfall increases, the chances of, not the chances, basically soil erosion would increase. Now, second, you can use simple linear regression when you want to know that the value of dependent variable at a certain value of independent variable, when you want to predict a value, basically when you want to predict a value using a variable. So example, here we can see that the amount of soil erosion at a certain level of rainfall, and similarly we can see by last scatter plot the weight according to the height, we can determine that. Now, for example, you can take that you are a social researcher interested in a relationship between income and happiness, and you survey 500 people whose incomes range from $15K to $75K and ask them to rank their happiness on scale from 1 to 10. Now, your independent variable, that will be income, and dependent variable, that will be happiness, are both quantitative. So you can do a regression analysis to see if there is a linear relationship between them. Now we are going to implement this in our next video. we will learn how to make a regression model, how to make a simple regression model with us with the help of RStudio in our next video. Now let's move on.